Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 881 Kerr Street in Cobourg. This lovely end-unit townhouse is situated in a great area across from a park. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you are immediately greeted by the primary bedroom with a 4-piece ensuite, including a walk-in shower. The kitchen has a lot of cabinet space. It's open to the family room with a gas fireplace and the dining room. The main level also has a 4-piece bath. The lower level is a large rec room, a 4-piece bath, a den currently being used as a bedroom, and the laundry room. Great features include the very private back deck and the lots of storage in the garage.